Hi! Subscribe to my channel if you love cooking. And also press the bell icon so you can get latest videos notifications for free. Thank you!
So yan, magandang araw mga lalabs. Welcome back again sa aking channel. So for today's video ay magluluto tayo ng creamy Maja Blanca with a twist. So para sa mga sangkap na ating gagamitin guys, ito yung mga sangkap na ating kailangan. So I will be listed below ang mga kabuuhang sangkap na aking ginamit sa aking Maja Blanca with a twist. Yan, the complete list of the ingredients will be listed in the description below. Ayan guys, ito yung ating mga sangkap na ating kailangan. Of course, we need also water. So ayan, in a pan, for the preparation, we need to put 3 cups of water in a pan. Then put 3 cups of water, then we need to add our coconut milk or coconut powder. It's up to you guys kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin. For me, I use coconut powder. Then ayan, so, haluin lang natin mabuti para ma-dissolve yung ating coconut powder sa water. Stir it constantly guys. Halo-halo lang hanggat na ma-dissolve na yung coconut milk or yung coconut powder na ating ginamit. So, ayan, halo-halo para mag-mix siyang mabuti. So, kailangan ko siya guys haluing mabuti para ma-dissolve yung coconut powder kasi coconut powder yung ginamit ko. Pero kung meron kayong coconut milk, much better kasi mabilis lang siya. So, after that, lalagay na natin yung ating evaporated milk. Then, mix it again together. Ayan. Then, add condensed milk. Ihalo na rin natin yung ating condensed milk and mix well. Haluin natin mabuti para mag-mix yung ating mixture. Ayan. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating condensed milk and continue stirring until it will mix it together. So, ayan, while we are simmering our mixture, ipiprepare na natin yung ating cornstarch. So, i-dissolve natin yung ating cornstarch sa water. Ayan. Put 1 cup of water to your cornstarch. 200 grams of cornstarch. Tapos, i-dissolve natin siya sa water. So, now it's time to add our cream of cornstarch. So, ilagay na natin ang ating cream of cornstarch. Then, haluin lang din natin ng mabuti. So, yan, just continue stirring until you get to the dessert consistency of your Maja Blanca. Haluin lang natin ang haluin. Then, ilagay na natin yung ating sugar. Now, put sugar. Then, continue stirring constantly. Ayun, then, i-ready na natin yung ating cornstarch na dinissolve natin sa water. Para after that, na mag-mix na natin yung sugar. Susunod na natin yung ating cornstarch guys. Ay, haluin lang ng haluin. ang lahat ng mga ingredients na ating inilagay. So yan guys, kung napapansin nyo, ilalagay ko na sana yung aking cornstarch na na-dissolve ko sa water. Pero napansin ko siya, parang nag-stick siya. So, I will mix it again. Ayan, i-dissolve ko siya ulit, i-mix ko siya ulit yung cornstarch. I-mix ko siya mabuti guys, kasi yung cornstarch, mabilis lang siyang dumikit. So, ayan. So, I will mix it again, then I will pour it. Okay, it's time to pour our cornstarch guys. Yan. Dissolve cornstarch in water and pour it in the mixture and mix well together. So as what you can see, I used 200 grams of cornstarch. Ganyan karami ang aking nagawa guys. So madami na siya. Ayan. Haluin lang natin ng mabuti. Haluin ng haluin. Kasi kung hindi natin siya hahaluin guys, magsistick yung cornstarch sa ilalim. So, may tendency na siya, matutong ang inyong Maja Blanca. So, keep on stirring constantly until you reach the desired consistency of your Maja Blanca. So, ayan, haluin pa rin natin guys ang haluin ng ating Maja Blanca. Yun, malapit na siyang maluto kasi na siya, nagmumukha na siyang glow. Yun, it looks like a paste guys. So, malalaman nyo siya pag luto na siya kasi ganyan na siya. So, ayan guys, medyo malapit na maluto yung ating Maja Blanca. Yun, haluin pa natin ng konti. Let's stir for a few minutes. Yan, malapot na siya. So, ganun lang guys ang magluto ng Maja Blanca. Napakadali lang siya. Yun. So, I think pwede na natin patayin yung apoy. Yan, patayin na natin yung apoy at saka ililipat na natin siya sa lagayan. So, kailan natin ilipat guys habang mainit pa siya. Yan. So, habang mainit pa siya guys, ililipat natin siya sa large bowl. So, yan, ililipat ko siya dito. Oh, yan na yung ating Maja Blanca guys. Yun, we need to smoothen the top surface guys habang mainit pa siya. So, ayan. Smoothen lang natin yung taas. Tapos, lalagyan na natin siya ng toppings. I prepare my shredded cheese for my toppings. Pwede din kayo maglagay ng whatever toppings you want. Like mani, peanut, shredded cheese. Yun, pwede kayo maglagay ng whatever toppings that you want to your Maja Blanca. So, ayan, this is the twist that I use, guys. So, ayan. I put some twist in my Maja Blanca. I use a sweet shredded dough as a twist for my Maja Blanca, guys. So, pwede din kayo mag-create ng sarili yung twist kung ano yung gusto nyo. So, for me, I sprinkle my Maja Blanca with a sweet shredded dough. Masarap siya, guys, kasi manamis-namis, sweet kasi siya. Ngayon, nag-aagaw yung lasa ng ng sweet shredded dough at saka ng cheese. So, napakasarap. Napaka-malinamnam siya. So, this is it. My sweet, creamy, and cheesy Maja Blanca. So, yan na siya guys, yung kinalalabasan niya. So, yan na yan guys. Thank you for watching my own version of my Maja Blanca with a twist. So, this is the finished product that I made. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next upload videos. So, yan. Thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. len Negrense TV, my YouTube channel. And please click the notification bell for you to keep updated on my next upload videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and let's get connected.